Sometimes the basic exception testing capabilities of JUnit are not enough. I've written test code many times that had to contain a try and catch block so I could catch an exception and assert that the message that I was expecting was on the exception. Fortunately, a new feature of JUnit, rules, provides us with the capability to do some better exception testing. We'll talk about rules in general in a little bit, but right now I want to focus on a specific JUnit rule that makes exception testing a bit easier. We can use the expected exception rule to create a special set of assertions in our tests which will check that a particular exception is thrown and or that a specific message is set on the exception. To use the expected exception rule, we simply create a public field of type expected exception that's annotated with the rule annotation, and then in our test method, we call the expect method on the expected exception field to set up an expectation that a particular exception should be thrown, or we can call the expect message method to ensure that a particular message exists on that exception.